this week I went to Dollarama and I found 4 different new crochet sets. I would like to unbox it together with you, and among 4 of them because my Instagram followers already fall for one of the set, so we will unbox it that one together, which is the giraffe. So let's see what's inside the box. So let's unbox this giraffe crochet set together, and it costs $4.50. Let's see what's inside the box. So there is some white yarn, which is a small bunch of yarn, and then of course the yellow one, and also the crochet hook, which is 5mm crochet hook, and then inside the yellow yarn also there is a needle, and then some cotton for you to put inside the pushies, and the brown one, which is the hairs and the pattern of the giraffe, and also some black yarn, which is I think should be its eyes. And the last one is the instruction for you to follow, and it's only a page, so let's see how we can do it. And here he has mentioned about such as how you hold your crochet hook, and also how you do the stitches. This is the first page, which you can see they have mentioned about the slip stitch, something like that. And for the second page, he's talking about the double crochet, additional stitch, which is increase, and then in the middle part is how to count the body stitch, how many you should do the crochet, head, ears, hands, and also legs and arms. And in the bottom part, they are teaching you how to do the invisible stitch, and also how you put the hairs, the giraffe hairs on top, and last is how do you combine them. So let's see, is that easy for beginners? It is beginner friendly. We'll try it, and I will try the crochet hook quality. Is it easy to do the stitch or not? So let's make it together. So I have already finished all the part, but they don't have enough yellow yarn, so one of my hand look like this length, another one just like this, but the other part is already finished. Only the hand has this problem, so I think I will cut off some of the yarn here and input here, make 2 hands is the same length. I have finished all the part in the giraffe, and I have also fixed the length difference for the hands. Let's assemble them together, and I will show you the result. I have finished the giraffe. Let's take a closer look of it. The leg, body, arms, head, ears, and also the hair. the hair part I think is really cute, but I think if they give me the safety eye, it will make the giraffe more cuter. But I feel like it's a really cute purchase. What do you think about it? So for this crochet set, I have some comments about it. So let's take a look about the instruction which is included in the crochet set. So they have give the detailed instruction for each row, how many stitch I have to do, but some of the row are wrong, such as this one. So in row 14 is 18 minus 2, so you will have 16 stitches, but in row 15 it says 6 plus 2, so this one is wrong, should be 16 plus 2. So when you follow this instruction, you have to do it really carefully. And also I would like to comment about the crochet hook. I myself would like a metal one instead of plastic one. This one is a plastic one because it's not smooth enough, so sometimes it will stick on my yarn. I cannot crochet really smoothly. So if you have your own crochet hook, I recommend you to use your own one, not this one included in the crochet set. And I think also this one is not really beginner friendly, because you can see for the double crochet they have only the picture of it, and I think it's not clear enough for beginners. If beginners would like this crochet set, they may need to search the YouTube tutorial by themselves about the double crochet, single crochet, and also the slip stitch. So this one is not good enough. It's the drawback of it. And also while I'm doing the crochet, doing the arms and also the body of the giraffe, I found that they don't give enough yarn for me, especially for the yellow one, but the other brown one they give enough for me. So I think this one they have to improve on it. Besides that, I think this crochet set is quite good, because if you have no idea about what you would like to crochet, then you can try to buy this crochet set, because they have already prepared every yarn for you, so you do not need to buy a lot of yarn at your house. Because I have brought a lot of yarn, so I think it's a problem for me. And also they have a clear instruction, so you can follow, but sometimes you have to be careful about each of the rows and do some calculation by yourself. Do you like me to do more crochet set unboxing and review? If you like it, just comment down below and let me know. I will do more on it. And that's all. See you next time. Bye.